Actually, it's kind of crazy, but all we do is demo. Planning things is the easy thing. Then doing it, that's a whole lot of different story. So I'm going to heat it. Alrighty. Oh, not standard. This will fit through the window. So next up is the box. We decided that we're going to cut it over here because of this side will be all inside the wall, so you won't see it anymore, and gives us space to work with the H-beams and the height, so we can make it fit inside. So we're going to cut this off all around. Be cut out. One side we're going to fit back. H-beams are coming in tomorrow. So cut that work for this week. Cutting, welding the H-beams, making the H-beams so it will be on the roller wheels as well as the front. So we can wiggle it all around. Then we can go on to make everything nice again. Tomorrow I've got some appointments to figure out and buy in some new stuff to make it back to a cool ambulance again. So hopefully we can film some at the ambulance factory as well. I'll ask that tomorrow. It actually is kind of crazy, but all we do is demo, only demolition again. Well, I guess it should always be worse before it goes better. So the plan is from over here to all the way to the top. It's 2 meter 10 and we've got 2 meter 44 to fit it in. So we can put some H-beams over here so we can hoist it. And like the frame, exactly like the frame, wheels under it so we can roll it. Going to try something new. Okay, not too bad, actually. It went all the way through. Alright, that went okay. Making plans is always the easy thing. Now, this is going to be the height we're going to need to move it in. Then we got the sliding door and the stairs, which are all in the way, and we need to remove this, but it's all mounted pretty damn good, so that's going to be a little dirty job to get everything removed. this complete side will be visible. So this is going to be delicate. Maybe I'll get some tape on it and then cut through the tape so we don't get any damage. And I think we're going to use a red line back on, or blue line back on, when we're all done. Back from the builders of the ambulance. Really cool to see, and you see things you never seen before. It's crazy to do, but got some inspiration how to make this as a nice line. Going to bend and cut some aluminum strips. Check out where I want to bend it, and then really delicate, just make the shape in. And then from there on, it's just bend and repeat till the shape's all there. Well, after a couple of minutes of bending, this is actually, look at this, going all the way with the cabin. Bring it back to the ambulance factory because they're really nice helping me out with painting some stuff in the original colors. Unfortunately, we couldn't film there because of the privacy of the hospitals. Got some small pictures. This is how some real nice new ambulances look like these days. Got all the base plates got it straightened out at all the points. Let's get the welder out again and get the wheels on. Get this all connected so we can put it under the container. Let's hit it. Guys think, will this be strong enough to hoist it and get it inside? I probably think so. It looks solid. Now putting the wheels on and getting ready to put it on the floor to see if it rolls. Let's hit it. Another frame done. Still always give me the spooks when got some job like this done, and then other obstacles start to play in the head, because it's so low to the ground, and as experienced low driver with cars, that gives a lot of problems. So hopefully the floor in the hospital is really flat, otherwise we could end up with some problems on how low the frame is. But it's the only option to get it low enough to fit through the windows. So with custom work, there will always be something going on to figure out or to solve, or just sometimes to have some luck and it all goes well. Let's go on and move it under the box or the container and see if we can fit it. Yo! Okay. Yeah, that's the life of a custom builder. One thing solved, like I told you, and way more problems to overcome. Don't think they are too complicated, but they are a lot of work. First up, we needed the extension, the ramp, to first lift the container because of the underbody, which in this video we cut it off to get more room. But the thing is, our frame is so low that the ramp extensioners are too high. So we first need to lower it on a couple of studs. And the other thing is, because of the room, I will need to put these bad boys inside the window first. They need to stick out some more. But as you can see in this video, the shop's too small. So a couple of steps we need to do. First, get it on the ramp, on the frame, move the frame forward, push the container up, roll the frame out to a good position, then lower it again. Not so easy, all. Let's go get it. See, the next thing. It's still lower, so the frame is lower than the ramp can go at the moment. We're going up again. Still lift it, it's forward. Now lift it again, but actually need to be lower. So let's see how we can do it some way. I can wiggle a little bit more, but actually it's almost completely to the front on the ramp. And I still can move the frame as far back as I want it to. So now I need to decide if I think it's far enough backward and we can leave it this way, or do I want it moved a little bit more forward. Lifting it. It's almost at the end of the container. Still coming up pretty good. So now I can move the frame the way I wanted it. Finally getting there. It's on there. it's a pretty small box. Look at this, how small it is. Better now. My plans are coming together. Woo, woo, woo. Man, sometimes I really hate this. Well, that's it. Another episode in the books. So please like and subscribe to our videos to keep following us on these crazy builds. As you see, there's lots more to come. Like and subscribe to follow us.